Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with another review. And today, I'd like to explain why the Oculus Quest 2 headset is really more than a VR gaming headset in so many different ways. Now, I know a lot of people, when they first buy the Quest 2, they buy it because it can play games in 3 dimensions. So a lot of times your kids will come to you and say, hey, I want to play those VR games. We need to get a headset. And this is really the leading product in that market today. There's well over 250 games that you can download and actually play in VR. And it's a lot of fun. I mean, we had so much fun when this unit first showed up, finding the right games, whether it be sports or action games or exploring or puzzle games, a lot of different venues out there for different styles of games, and that's a great use case for it. But you have to think about where this product came from. It was built by a company called Meta, which was originally Facebook. And Meta, they changed the name of the company. Meta is short for Metaverse. Now, if you've never heard of the Metaverse is really what a lot of people are calling Web 3.0, where it's this virtual environment where you can jump into it through a portal like this. You put these VR headsets on, and then you can walk around this virtual environment. And there are big companies out there that are making big bets on the metaverse. So all the large corporations out there that do retail today, so whether it be a sneaker company or a retail company, are building stores in the metaverse that you can actually eventually get into the metaverse, walk into the store, pick up an item, look at it, check the pricing, the specifications. So in virtual reality, you can do a lot more than playing games. So my point would be, the metaverse is there. This is your way into the metaverse. Now, gaming is just one option for using this particular product, but think about it a second. What if schools start doing remote learning over virtual reality? So you put the headset on, you're actually in a classroom with other students where you can actually learn things. You can talk to other students while you're learning things. There's a lot of possibilities in education. Another place these are being used a lot is in therapy. So a lot of people that have phobias, maybe you're afraid of spiders, and the way to cure that spider fear is to put you in a room with one spider, and you get used to that, and then another spider shows up, another spider shows up. You can do that in virtual reality. That would be difficult to do in real life. Another place these are great are for things like relaxation or meditation sessions, where you put these on and imagine being on a beautiful beach with waves crashing in front of you. So you had a stressful day, you put these on, you're on this beach, waves are crashing, birds are chirping in the background. You spend 30 minutes in that environment. When you take these off, you're relaxed. It's not meditation particularly, but you're relaxed and you can go back to life and handle all the challenges that life throws at you. Another place that they can be incredibly important would be things like travel. Like maybe you've not traveled to a place like Rome or Paris or the Middle East, and you'd really like to see what those pyramids look like up close. You pop these on, and you can walk around and actually view things in 3 dimensions in very crisp HD quality, and you get a real feel for the experience. And even if you're going to travel there eventually, it's really nice to walk down a street and know where things are located. So you know that the Louvre is over here, and maybe the Arc de Triomphe is over there. So it gives you a virtual experience, a 3-dimensional virtual experience where you're in that environment, and it is immersive as can be, that allows you to get a feel for where you're heading. Now, the set itself is not that expensive compared to other VR sets out there, but I think the important thing to remember is that the future of VR, this metaverse experience that's coming, is built into the headsets. Now, one thing we like to do, and I know this may seem strange, is you can actually use these to watch movies. And you're thinking, well, why wouldn't I just watch a movie on my large screen TV? Well, you can do that. But if you pop these on, you download an application that actually allows you to watch whatever movie you pick off of all the streaming services you've got on a wide screen, just like you're in the movie theater. So you actually walk in, you can walk up to a counter and buy some virtual popcorn and a virtual drink, and you show up in the theater, you sit down, and there's a big movie screen in front of you that shows the movie. Okay, that's pretty cool. But here's the cooler part. You can invite friends to a viewing party. So you've got 5 of your best friends sitting in the row next to you with other people in the theater that are virtual, but these 5 are here, and you're talking to those other people that are with you. So you're enjoying a movie together pretty much just like you'd enjoy a movie at the movie theater, because you can talk to each other, you laugh together, you can be scared together. So all those experiences happen virtually, and you're sitting at home in your pajamas, in your house, in the comfort of your home. When the movie's over, you pop off the headset, you go about your day. So I think the important thing to remember is that this Oculus product is great for gaming. As I said in the beginning of the clip, it's wonderful for gaming experiences, but it's so much more than that. And I'm a firm believer that this whole metaverse concept will absolutely happen, because there's big money behind setting up those virtual stores, setting up the virtual experiences. There are companies that are focusing on nothing but building a perfect avatar of you, because when you jump into this VR environment, you don't want to look like somebody off of Minecraft. You want to look like somebody like you. So companies are building applications that'll photo scan you and build a perfect avatar so you look like you in the metaverse. So I think the future's ahead of us. This is a great way to get started with that. And if you have younger kids, they're going to have to deal with that when they get older. This would be a great way to introduce them to that whole metaverse concept. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I think this product is fantastic. From a functionality perspective, the build quality is tremendous. It plays, like I said, over 250 different games, which are a hoot. But beyond that, there's a lot of other experiences you can use this with that really will enhance your life. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay nerdy.